Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I'm in the bathroom right here, all right? So today's project is focusing around something in the bathroom that we all use, probably to start our day, throughout our day, and before we finish our day, and that's gonna be the toilet. Now, what's going on with the toilet? This is probably something a lot of you have seen, and if you're here, you might not know how to repair it, or you repaired it and you wanna see me do it, and that's gonna be what I'm calling a weak flushing toilet, okay? Like when you flush that toilet, you kind of hear the flapper go down quick. You don't get enough water left in there. But I'm kind of talking a lot to describe this. So let's go take a quick look. Before we do that though, make sure you're subscribing to this channel and turning on notifications and hitting that like and share button at the end, all right? Helps me get more viewers, helps me get more videos out, and helps me stop talking as much as I'm talking right now. So let's go take a look at what's going down in the toilet, all right? And see if we can fix this. All right, so here we are. We're inside the toilet bowl. We're in the tank back here. We're gonna give this a quick flush, see what happens, and then we're gonna see what we need to do to fix this, all right? Okay, so like I said earlier, that flap went down way too soon, okay? It didn't come up long enough to let water go in there and properly flush the toilet. So as we can see here, we've got a chain down below. And I'm hoping to get a good angle for everyone right here. We got this chain right here, and look at this, there's a lot of slack on there. All right, so what we want to do is tighten this chain up right here so that we get a better, a longer opening time on this flapper right here, all right? So this shouldn't be too difficult. What I'm going to do is you're going to unhook the clip that's on here, all right? And that's just pretty simple. You just pull that off. Okay, we pulled it off. Now I see how many beads I have it pulled up on, right? And this is a weird one. It's kind of basic. You're just gonna pull these beads up until it's tighter and go from there, right? So kind of like a little trial and error. What I wanna do, actually, viewers, and you should. Now we're gonna try and hook it. Okay, reconnected, really tight. There's really no slack. Similar outcome, all right. Okay, so now that that's the case, what we want to do is try to increase the toilet bowl depth with this float here, all right? All right, now we're up to the water line here. Before we were down below it. Let's see what happens. Much better, all right? Okay. All right, so thank you everyone for sticking with me through that process where I tightened the chain first instead of using my brain and trying to adjust the float, right? If your bowl's not filling up with enough water, obviously you need to get more water in there. And the first thing I should have done was adjusting that float, okay? Turning it to the right, you're gonna increase the water level that's going in there. Turning it to the left, you're gonna decrease. If that's not working, tighten up that flapper chain. Using either of those two right there in that order should remedy the issue of a weak flush or a low filling flush, for lack of any better description. Plumbers out there, if you know a better term, drop it in the comments, all right? Please, thank you. But anyway, I hope this video helped you out there. Hope everyone's doing all right. Make sure you're being kind to each other. Make sure you're also subscribing to this channel and hitting those notifications so you know when the next video is coming out. I got a few more in the works. I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Peace.